وبركاته. معكم أحمد رضا، والنهاردة بإذن الله نبدأ حلقة جديدة من حلقات Ielts. Yes, today we are going to speak about Ielts, and our today's session is mainly focusing on the difference between the Ielts computerized one and the paper-based one. يعني هنتكلم النهاردة عن الفروق بين الكمبيوتر أو المحوسب والورقي. ففي البداية عندنا بعض المميزات لده ولده، هنبدأ نذكرهم بسرعة أو اللي هي differences, common differences between them. So let's go together. First of all, إن المحوسب متاح طول أيام الأسبوع. المحوسب بيظهر بعد 5 أيام، يعني لو أنت هتختبر اختبار محوسب فالنتيجة بتاعتك بتظهر بعد 5 أيام. أوكي. أو لو أنت هتختبر اختبار ورقي فالنتيجة بتاعته بتطلع بعد 14 يوم، بالإضافة إلى إن هو بيكون متاح فقط يوم واحد في الأسبوع اللي هو يوم السبت. وفي الفترة الحالية بسبب ظروف كوفيد 19 بدأ يحصل ديلينج أو إن هم يعملوا بوستبون للمواعيد بتاعتك، فممكن تكون حاجز اختبارك وبعدين يتأجل أكتر في الاختبار الورقي. أوكي. مميزات الاختبار الورقي is that you can take notes, you can write something, you can do something like this, and even also you have 10 minutes in the listening part. عندك 10 دقائق في listening part اللي هم بيكون عندك القدرة إن أنت تاخد الأنسرز بتاعتك to put them here in the answer sheet. And here you have 2 answer sheets, one of them for listening, like this, 40 parts, 40. And here the second one here, it's for reading. You are going to write your answers here also. The writing tasks, you have 2 sheets, one of them for task 1 and the second one for task 2. This is about the Ielts paper-based test. Okay, let's go now, or let's move to the second one, which is the most important part of today's video. يعني أهم جزء في حلقة النهاردة وهو اختبار المحوسب. شكله، طريقة الاختبار، طريقة الأسئلة، عرض الأسئلة على الشاشة، هل ينفع أنسخ في الريدنج ولا لا؟ في الليسننج إزاي أكتب؟ هل هيكون في وقت لنقل الإجابات أو الإجابات من للأنسر شيت أو كده؟ There is no answer sheet in the computerized part. So let's go together to this one to know what to do in this test. Just a second. Here we are. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Let's go for this. Try academic. وهنا هحاول بكل إمكانية إن أنا أجاوب لكل الطلاب على كل التساؤلات اللي هم بيتساءلوها على الاختبار المحوسب، وده لأن مفيش معلومات كتير عنه، مفيش بيانات كتير عنه. خلينا في البداية نبدأ بالسبيكينج which is the same in both of them. يعني السبيكينج سواء كان في المحوسب أو كان في الورقي فهو نفس الشيء. From 11 to 14 minutes or to 15 minutes with an examiner، الاثنين مع مصحح عادي مع شخص طبيعي. بس في الفترة الأخيرة بدأ يظهر بعض الأشياء اللي هي to wear the mask inside the test، وبعض الطلبة حصل عندهم confusion when they wore their masks inside the test. حسوا إن هم في confusion, they couldn't concentrate inside the test. So I advise you to practice using your mask at home. Number 2، إن في بعض الناس تاني برضو أثناء الاختبار طلبوا منهم إنهم يكون with like a headphone and inside a screen، يعني يكون like zooming or like video chat. Okay, this is for the speaking part. When we move now to the reading part, let's have a look at this one. And I want you to concentrate here with me and focus here. Have a look here. When you just join the test, you'll have this information here in front of you. You'll find here like a list of ideas or list of instructions to help you how to do your task here. Start the test, it's okay. Before pressing this button, you have to make sure of 3 things: your name, your date of birth, and even also the candidate number. Why? Because maybe there is some differences here from your own information. لو في اختلافات عن المعلومات الشخصية بتاعتك لازم تتأكد من معلوماتك الشخصية هنا قبل دخول الاختبار من خلال الكارد اللي بتكون معاك before joining the test. If you find all of them are correct, it's okay. If there is like a mistake, just tell the invigilator inside the room that you are taking the test in. Start the test. Here you have here, it's 1 hour. Answer all the questions. You can change your answer at any time of the test and so on. So here, let's start. When you just start or put start here, you are in the test right now. Here you have 2 screens. عندك شاشتين. أو عندك the screen is divided into two parts. The left part is for the reading passage or the passages with its scroll bar here, this one, and the right one for the questions with its also a scroll bar here, so you can go up and down here in this part. When you just press any one of them, you find here you can just choose true or false or not given or whatever according to the question. طيب في عندنا بعض النصائح او بعض المعلومات اللي انت لازم تعرفها عن الاختبار المحوسب بالنسبه للريدنج. فهنا مثلا نفترض you want to highlight this part، عايز تعمل highlighting. It's okay, it's super easy. What you need to know is to press right click, then you find here it's highlight. Yeah, you highlighted this part right now. Okay, you need to write a note here at this 7:22 a.m. So I want here to put a note, so I write here notes 7:22 a.m. It's here, for example, down to write anything here. You just put your note here. So when you go back for this one, when you go here, you'll find this a small yellow part here. You press it, you will find it appears here to you, the note that you put. Okay, you can go up and down by this way. So here you can move here. في حاجتين تاني مهمين، هو ان انا ازاي انتقل لسؤال، ازاي انتقل مثلا لسؤال رقم 14 او passage 2. It's okay. Now I move to passage number 2 and here I have the questions. طيب لو انا عندي سؤال عايز اعمل لي what I can say، يعني عايز اعلم عليه او اعمل marking عليه in order to return back to this question later. يعني بعد ما اخلص الاختبار عايز اعمل revising على بعض questions، في عندي confusion about something. هنا افترض ان انا مثلا عندي number 10. It's okay. When you press number 10 it's okay here. Press the review button here on the left. كده خلاص. لاحظ ان شكل الايقونه تتحول من square to a circle, so that it means that you need to review this one. When you just, if you want to review, when you finish the 40 questions here, this is 20 مثلا 6 23, I want also to review this one. It's okay. I'm in a hurry right now just to tell you what to do. طيب في ناس كتيره بتبعت اسئله او بتسال لو انا عايز اعمل copy paste in the test. It's okay. It's easy peasy. Just copy the word from here, Control C and put it here. You made it now. It's like an easy one. Now we finished this part, the reading part. I give you all the things or all the techniques or all the tips that you need inside the computer deliver test. Let's go back to have a look at the other part, which is the listening and also the writing part. Have a look here at this one. Yes, this is the listening part, and inside the listening you need to be like in a hurry, not in a hurry, just to concentrate and type your answers immediately, because you don't have that much time at the end of the test to revise your answers or to transform them, because he also, or only you have 28 or 30 minutes, 7 minutes for each one of them. So at the end of the test you'll only have 2 minutes. These 2 minutes you can't do anything. You'll just find yourself like doing nothing. So take it one by one, focus on them, try to be accurate in your spelling and in your writing or the typing during the listening part. Here it is. Play the sound. You can just check the sound before pressing continue. Check.
Corner.
Okay.
Click continue when you hear the sound clearly.
Okay.
Please change the volume using the bar in the top right corner.
Can go up and
click continue when you hear the sound clearly. Please change the volume using the bar in the top right corner.
So this one will work like this. When you make sure that you can hear very clearly, just to press continue and move to the next step. Here, it is some instructions for you to answer all the questions. You have 40 questions, you have 60 minutes, and so on. Start the same here. You will go to this one. You will listen at the same time.
Recordings, and you will have to answer questions on what you hear.
Yeah.
There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work.
So here in this case,
all the recordings will be played once.
Now
turn to section 1.
Turn back or to do anything like this.
Section 1. You will hear a conversation between a clerk at the inquiries desk of a transport company and a man who is asking for travel information.
Yeah.
First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5.
Okay, I don't want to make much or to take much time here. I just show you here, come here to show you how to do it inside the test, and you can use the tab button just to move from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 and so on. When you finish the test, you'll have about 2 minutes here by the end of the test, about 2 minutes only, I think, so that in these 2 minutes you can just revise. The same idea, if you want to highlight one of them, press the review part to make it like a circle shape, like 21 circle shape. So at the end of the test, you are not confused and you can return back to the question easily. So I want to return back to question number 18. It's okay. Now I'm in 18. I want to go to 11. Now I'm in 11, and so on. When you finish, just submit or wait the time to finish, and everything will be done for you. The last and the final part here. Let's have a look at this. Here the writing part, and here in the writing part عندك بعض المميزات، وهي انك بتشوف الكاونت words او العداد what we can say the word counter. But بعض الطلاب يعني they don't have the ability to type very fast, so I don't advise you to go to this one, because here you need to write about 400 words in 1 hour. يعني انت عندك تقريبا 2 tasks مطلوب منك 400 words, 150 and 250. If you are not a good typer, don't try to go to the computerized one. If you are okay, you can join this one. It will be better for you. Here, your details are okay. Some instructions also here. Go for this. You have here the left side for the question. You can see the question here, and the right part here to write or to type your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. The counter is working down. What you need to do is to look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll find the 5 words, 10 words, 20, 150. So now you know that you're done. When you finish task 1 and you don't take more than 20 minutes، ما تحاولش تاخد أكتر من 20 دقيقة حتى لو لم تنتهي من task 1، because remember that إن task 2 عليها ضعف الدرجة، عليها twice of يعني what you can say 2/3 of the mark، يعني تلتين الدرجة، بس task 1 عليها only 1/3. طيب let's go for this one. Here also you have the question here, or you have here the essay that he wants you to write about, and here you also going to write here. When you just finish, also you find here the counter. وفي الأخير هنا بدي advice للطلاب اللي داخلين البيبر بيست تيست، الناس اللي داخلين يختبروا ورقي. Don't worry about the counter of the words، يعني ما تكونش just worried about it. Try at home to write or to type, or to write, because here it's not typing by the way, it's writing. حاول تكتب 100 كلمة وتشوف هتكتبها في كام سطر، 10 سطور، 7 سطور، 8 سطور، وهنا هتبدأ تحسب ان انت ال 100 كلمة بتاعتك في 8 سطور، فال 250 كلمة انت محتاج حوالي 20 سطر. هتعرف ال 100 كلمة بتاعتك في 10 سطور، فانت محتاج 25 سطر، وهكذا. أو وأنت في الاختبار شوف اللاين بتاعك فيه كم كلمة، 5 10 اضربها أو اعمل multiplying أو dividing by، يعني 250 divided by 1 divided by 10 divided by, you can get your real lines. So you can just have like headings، يعني على كل 10 سطور أو على كل 5 سطور معناها إن أنت كتبت 50 كلمة، 100 كلمة، 150 وهكذا. في نهاية الفيديو أتمنى إن شاء الله رب العالمين إنكم تكونوا استفدتوا بالقدر الكافي، لأن في طلبة كتير جدا confused about the computerized one، عندهم تساؤلات شكل الاختبار. I don't know what the test looks like، مش عارف شكل الاختبار. أنا عملت لك أو جبت لك شكل الاختبار من داخل الموقع التابع للبريتش كونسل. When you just join the test you will find the same test it's in front of you، يعني نفس الشكل بنفس كل شيء. أتمنى بإذن الله تكونوا استفدتوا. لو في عندك أي كومنت أو أي تساؤلات أو أي شيء، you can just send it to me privately or you can type it in the comment box. Goodbye and have a nice time.